Hello, in this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of AlmaLinux OS, and some of the applications pre-installed. AlmaLinux OS is an open-source, community-driven project that is built from the source code of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. AlmaLinux OS is a completely binary-compatible fork of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, and it is built by the creators of the established CloudLinux OS. Launched with the codename Project Linux, AlmaLinux OS is an open-source, community-driven project that intends to fill the gap left by the demise of the CentOS stable release. AlmaLinux OS is an enterprise-grade server OS, a stable Linux distribution with regular releases that come with long support windows. Named after the Latin word for soul, AlmaLinux is being developed with collaboration from the Linux community via public repositories and packages. Switching distributions is usually costly and time-consuming, but that's not the case when switching from CentOS to AlmaLinux OS. Switching is easy and almost instantaneous. The first AlmaLinux OS release was on March 30, 2021. AlmaLinux OS 8.5 uses systemd as is in its software and supports x2, x3, x4 and xfs file systems. For package management, AlmaLinux OS 8.5 uses DNF. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the DNF package manager. For self-contained applications, AlmaLinux OS uses Flatpak. AlmaLinux OS 8.5 includes the version 4.18.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of AlmaLinux OS are Firefox, Boxes, Cheese, Rhythmbox and LibreOffice. Let me know your thoughts about AlmaLinux OS in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.